Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have legal access. This matters. Once done, plug the phone into a PC, install OEM USB drivers, and open a command prompt. Make sure ADB is installed and reachable. This lets you query the device. If you can unlock developer options, toggle USB debugging now. Take clear photos of any lock screen clues, network names, account hints. These initial actions create the conditions that let you extract data later. Do them deliberately and document each step. Once connected, list devices with a DB devices. If authorized, use a DB pull for /SD card and targeted app folders. If ADB is blocked, reboot to recovery and use a DB sideload or mount data partitions. Make a bit-for-bit image when possible. For locked, encrypted devices, use logical extraction tools or commercial forensic suites that can parse backups and app containers. Make sure to hash every image and record chain of custody. These steps extract usable files while preserving evidentiary integrity. Finish by verifying SHA-256 or MD5 hashes of all images and pulled files. Store them securely. Once done, analyze on an isolated forensic workstation and restore the device if required. If you hit roadblocks, encryption, locked bootloader, or no ADB, you can attempt safe mode, OEM unlock tools, or escalate to a certified forensic lab. Make sure to document each attempt and preserve original media. This transparency explains why you chose each method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.